Have you ever wondered if it's actually possible to make real money just by writing from your laptop? No boss, no office, just your thoughts and a keyboard. What if I told you that thousands of people, many with no formal writing degree, are already doing it? And some are making more in a week than others do in a month. But here's the twist. Most beginners go about it the wrong way. They get stuck, overwhelmed, or give up before they even land their first gig. Stick around, because I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start freelance writing from scratch and actually get paid. But there's one sneaky trick near the end that can double what you earn for the same amount of work. You won't want to miss it. Number 1. Understand what freelance writing really is. Freelance writing means you're not employed full-time by a company. Instead, you write content for clients or businesses who pay you per article, per word, or per project. This could be blog posts, product descriptions, emails, web pages, or even scripts like this one. You don't need to be Shakespeare. You just need to write clearly and solve a problem for the reader. For example, a small business might pay you to write a blog post explaining how to fix a leaky faucet. Simple, not poetic, not academic, just helpful and easy to understand. Number 2, pick a niche and stick to it. This is the most overlooked step. Many beginners try to write about everything, from travel to health to technology. That's a mistake. Picking one topic area makes you stand out and lets clients trust you faster. Let's say you choose personal finance. Now, you're not just a writer. You're a personal finance writer. That sounds way more credible, right? Other great beginner niches include parenting, lifestyle, beauty, food, and fitness. One beginner I know chose pet care as her niche. Within 3 months, she was earning over $1,000 a month writing pet blog posts. Number 3. Build a simple portfolio fast. Here's what stops most beginners in their tracks. But I don't have any experience. The good news? You don't need a fancy resume. You need samples. Start by writing 3 short articles, just 500 to 700 words each, in your chosen niche. Write as if a real client hired you. Put them on a Google Doc, make the link shareable, and now you have a portfolio. For example, if you chose health as your niche, you could write 5 natural ways to boost your energy. What sugar really does to your body. A beginner's guide to healthy meal prep. Now when a client asks, "Can I see your work?" You're ready. Number 4. Create an online presence. If you're not online, clients can't find you. Start with LinkedIn. Make a simple profile that says something like, "I help businesses write." Clear, helpful blog content about fitness. Add a friendly photo. Post your sample articles. You can also use free sites like Contently or Medium to post your writing and share your voice. Want to go the extra mile? Make a free portfolio site using Wix or Card. But remember, simple is better than perfect. Number 5. Start pitching. Even if you're scared, this is where the money starts to roll in, but it's also where most beginners freeze. Don't wait to feel ready. Use job boards made for freelance writers. Sites like ProBlogger, freelance writing jobs, Writer's Work, People Per Hour, Upwork. Yes, it still works if you do it right. Send out 3 to 5 pitches a day. Each pitch should be short, friendly, and focused on how you can help the client. For example, "Hi, I saw you're looking for a personal finance writer. I'd love to help. I've written about budgeting, credit scores, and saving tips. Here are some samples. Let me know if you'd like to chat." That's it. No begging, no fluff, just value. Number 6. Learn how to price your work. Pricing is tricky for beginners. Charge too low, and you burn out. Charge too high, and clients disappear. Here's a simple starting guide. For blog posts, aim for $30 to $50 per article when starting out. For product descriptions, $5 to $10 each. For email newsletters, $20 to $40 per email. One trick? Charge by the project, not by the word or hour. Instead of saying 10 cents per word, say this blog post will be $40. It makes pricing cleaner and helps you earn more. As your skills and confidence grow, raise your rates. Some writers charge over $300 per article, and they started right where you are. Number 7. Deliver amazing work. Even if you're new, want repeat clients and referrals? Make your writing clear, double-check grammar, meet your deadlines. Ask questions before starting to avoid confusion. Let's say a client wants an article on saving for retirement. You might ask, who is the audience? Beginners or experts? Do you want a formal tone or conversational? Do you have any sources or keywords you want included? These questions show you care and help you deliver exactly what they need. And when clients feel heard, they come back. Number 8. Use AI tools without getting lazy. Let's face it, tools like ChatGPT and Grammarly can make writing faster. Use them for brainstorming, structure, and grammar checks, but don't rely on them to write everything. Clients can tell, and Google is getting smarter at spotting AI-generated fluff. So use tools to assist your writing, not replace it. One trick? Ask AI to give you a rough outline. Then you do the actual writing with your unique voice. Number 9. Keep track of payments like a business owner. You're not just a writer, you're a business, so act like one. Use a simple spreadsheet to track who you worked with, how much they paid, when they paid, whether you need to send an invoice. You can use tools like Wave, Free, or PayPal to send professional-looking invoices. Also, set aside 20 to 30% of what you earn for taxes. Yes, even freelancers in the USA have to pay taxes on their writing income. But the good news? You can deduct writing expenses like your laptop, internet, even part of your home office. Number 10. Unlock the secret to earning more with less work. Remember that sneaky trick I mentioned earlier? It's called retainers. Instead of doing one-off gigs, offer to work with a client every month. For example, hey, I'd love to write 4 blog posts for you each month for $200. Want to set up a monthly package? That's called a retainer. Now you don't have to chase new clients every week. You work less, earn more, and build stable income. One beginner writer landed 2 retainer clients this way and made over $800 in her second month. No chasing, no stress, just steady income. Number 11. Stay consistent and keep learning. Your first week might be slow. Your second week might feel like nothing's working. But keep going, keep writing, keep pitching, keep improving. The writers who make it are not the most talented. They're the most consistent. Read other blogs, join writing groups, take low-cost courses on platforms like Skillshare or Udemy. Treat this like a long game, and it will pay off. Number 12. Learn to say no to bad clients. Not every opportunity is worth your time. Some clients will ask for way too much work for way too little money. Others may be unclear, late with payments, or change the project halfway through when something feels off. Trust your gut. Saying no to bad clients makes room for better ones. For example, if someone wants a 2,000-word blog post for $10, that's a red flag. Politely decline and move on. Your time and energy are valuable. Number 13. Ask for testimonials after every project. Social proof matters. When a happy client says nice things about you, future clients are more likely to trust you. After a project is done, ask something simple like, would you mind writing a short testimonial I can use in my portfolio? Most clients are happy to help. You can then post their testimonial on your LinkedIn, website, or portfolio. Even 1 or 2 solid reviews can make a huge difference when you're starting out. Number 14. Learn basic SEO writing. SEO stands for search engine optimization. It's about helping your writing rank higher on Google. Many clients want blog posts that attract traffic. You don't need to be an expert. Just learn the basics. Use keywords naturally. Write helpful subheadings. Answer reader questions. For example, if you're writing about budgeting tips for families, include that phrase in your title and a few times in the article. Plenty of free resources online will teach you the basics of SEO writing. It makes you more valuable and lets you charge more. Number 15. Set a daily writing schedule. Freelance writing gives you freedom, but also requires discipline. If you wait until you feel like it, you may never write. Set a schedule that works for you. Maybe it's 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. daily. Maybe it's 9 p.m. after the kids are asleep. Even just one focused hour a day can move you forward. Stick to it, and you'll build momentum faster than you think. Number 16. Use templates to save time. You don't need to start every pitch or article from scratch. Create templates for things like emails, blog structures, and proposals. This saves time and keeps your messaging consistent. For example, your pitch email template can start like, "Hi, client name. I'm a niche writer who helps businesses like yours create engaging blog content. I'd love to help with your type of content. Here are a few samples." Then personalize the rest. Templates help you move faster and look more professional. Number 17. Practice your writing every day. Writing is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Try to write something every day, even if it's just a journal entry, blog post, or social media caption. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. The more you write, the easier it gets. You'll learn to write faster, think clearer, and feel more confident. One beginner who wrote just one short blog post per day landed her first paying client after 2 weeks because she kept showing up. Number 18. Follow other freelance writers. You're not alone in this. There's a whole world of freelance writers out there sharing tips, lessons, and job leads. Follow them on YouTube, LinkedIn, or Twitter. Join Facebook groups or Reddit forums. Watch how they pitch. See how they structure their writing. Ask questions. Make connections. You'll learn faster and feel less isolated. Some writers even share job leads directly with their followers. Number 19. Offer extra value to stand out. Clients love writers who go the extra mile. That doesn't mean working for free. It means adding little touches that show you care. For example, when you deliver a blog post, you might say, "I also included a few headline options you can test," or "I made sure the formatting is mobile friendly." Those small details leave a big impression, and clients remember that when they need to hire again. Number 20. Set a monthly income goal. Writing without a goal is like driving without a map. Decide how much you want to earn each month. Maybe it's $500 to pay off debt. Maybe it's $1,500 to quit your part-time job. Once you know the number, reverse engineer your plan. If you want to earn $1,000 and your average article pays $100, you need 10 articles. Now, you have a target, and targets help you stay focused. Number 21. Reuse and repurpose your work. Your writing has more value than you think. One blog post can be turned into social media snippets, an email newsletter, or a LinkedIn post. If a client lets you keep the rights, turn your best work into samples or portfolio content. This saves time and gets more mileage from every word you write. You're not just a writer, you're a content creator. Think like one. Number 22. Don't wait for perfect. Start now. You don't need to feel ready. You just need to start. You will make mistakes. You will send bad pitches. You will feel unsure. That's okay. Every great freelance writer once felt the same way, but they kept going, and you can too. There are clients out there who are already looking for someone like you. They just don't know your name yet. Start today and let them find you. You don't need a journalism degree. You don't need thousands of followers. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to start and keep going. There are people right now earning $1,000 to $5,000 per month writing online, and they don't write better than you. They just kept writing. So, now that you know how to get started with freelance writing from scratch, what's stopping you? Let me know in the comments. What's the one thing you're still unsure about when it comes to freelance writing?